What's up, guys? So I'm down here at the creek. We're gonna be hiking the creek today. Here with this kid. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch you guys to the chest mount and let's get going. Ooh, this is muddy. Muddy. There's one following it right there. All right, guys. Promise I caught a fish. A little smallmouth, about that long. Come up there. There might be more. I don't know. I'm gonna go over there. Oh, there's another one. Please tell me I'm recording. Yes. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Watch it be the same one. A little bit smaller. Oh, it's a largemouth. Usually only smallmouth. Largemouth bass. Let him go. Where'd he go?
Over there.
Oh.
In no time, what you do is very cruel.
I've heard that before. No, you know what I've gotten before? What if you were that worm? I'm like,
Actually,
yeah, somebody said that. Lots of fish. There's a little bass right there. They're so camouflaged, it's like insane. That's a perch.
bear hook.
It's a perch. There's a perch in this creek. Bro, that's going in my fish tank, 100%.
Sure it's a perch?
I'm dead serious. You can't miss that. Got the perch all settled in over there. Trying to catch some bluegill or something now. Yeah, they're looking at it. Oh, I missed it. Cannot believe I just caught a perch out of this creek. Alright, guys, caught a bluegill. Town over there is doing absolutely nothing. I'm bare hooking these fish, by the way. Like, straight up. No hook at all. Should I keep that? Okay, yeah, I don't care. Go ahead. That, yeah. It's another little baby, but I don't know. Do I want that one? I mean, that one's actually pretty good looking. They're all, that's pumpkin, is that pumpkin seed? No, it's just a bluegill. I hope I'm recording right now. Yes, okay. There he goes. Be great catfish bait. One. Oh. Man. There, I missed one. That's a big one. There's so many down there. Are you mad? I'm not even counting anymore. There's just so many. It's a crappie. No, it isn't. It's a rock bass. That's a rock bass. Should I keep it? That's a cool looking fish. What do you think?
Probably.
Okay. I'm gonna run him back.
Check on your other fish.
Yeah, I'm running him over there. Please be in there. Yes. The perch is alive. Yeah, they're not very happy at the moment.
Why is his eye so big?
Because he's a predator. He should be fine for a little while. Not for long though. Sorry. I have a bag. I have a perch. So, what we're gonna do is I'm going to set you guys down. Okay, guys. So the perch is acclimating in there. I'm gonna leave him in there for about 5-10 minutes, somewhere around that mark. And then I'm gonna put him in here with the bass. See how they get along. Okay, guys. We're ready to let the perch go into his new home. So, actually, I have to go get a bucket and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I have a bucket. Time to grab a net. Boom. Time to get the fish. Okay guys, here we go. He's a bit bigger than the bass, so hopefully that's not an issue, but I guess we'll see. There he is. Big old perch. The bass is checking him out. I'm just gonna nip out of my bet. Oh yeah, by the way, I took that piece of driftwood out. And I put this one in. It's getting waterlogged right now, so hopefully it speeds up a little bit. And we'll have some more driftwood. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.